All right, this is Mrs. Tilling.
I'm Evan.
I'm Mary Grace.
Very good. And we are here today because before you leave, you need to choose and print out at least 2 science fair project plans. All right, that's what we're going for. So we're here at the library homepage, my personal favorite, as you know.
Yep.
Yeah.
Scroll down, and then as we scroll down, where do you think we're going to click?
The
Science fair tools.
Very nice.
Jinx.
Jinx. Wow. Stop it. Okay. Prepare for science fair. So we're going to look at the #1 science fair project ideas site. All right. So we'll click here. Now this tool is by Science Buddies, and it is absolutely amazing. You're going to choose, again, how many projects today?
2.
At least 2. At least 2. All right. And can you do this at home?
Yeah, because you know how to do it.
Right. Obviously, you can do it at home. All right. So, Mary Grace, what would you be interested in looking at today?
Probably the ocean sciences.
Okay. So we'll click on Ocean Sciences, and we'll kind of look through some of the projects.
How salty is the sea?
Very nice. So one of the nice things about this one is it gives you a level, beginner, and then easy would mean like the level of difficulty. I'm just going to scroll down real quick and show a little bit more. Beginner and then hard would just be, it is for a beginner project, but the amount, like the tasks involved would be harder. All right, so let's go to that. How salty is the sea? Very nice. All right, what is the time required?
6 to 10 days.
Very good. That's not 6 to 10 days straight. I have a feeling if we're talking about the sea, it's going to talk about evaporation. All right, and the prerequisites, are there any things that you have to have in order to pull this off?
No.
No. All right, it doesn't require a computer. And then the materials are readily available, and what's the cost?
Under $20.
Very nice.
Pretty low.
A lot of these projects definitely say $20 to $50. Some say $50 to $100. Some say, $50 to $200. I don't know about you, but I don't know if Mom and Dad would be that hip to that. I don't know. All right, so it gives a little abstract what the project is about. Okay, please don't ask me what the project is about when you are more than capable of doing what?
Looking at it.
Right, reading it.
Yeah.
Looking at it, not just staring. It's all good. Now, so you like this one. If you like this, you get a little background. That's going to definitely help you write the paper because part of science fair, I hate to break this to you, it's not just experiment.
It's research!
It's research and actually writing a paper. Yeah. Anyway, so again, this website is awesome. It does all of that. Tells you the exact materials you have to have. This one is awesome. It does the procedure. Come on, look at that.
That's
a
not
lot.
There, half of it isn't even filled in.
Yeah.
Well, of course it's not. That's the experiment.
I knew that.
Oh my gosh, but see, here's the thing. You didn't have to make the chart.
Yeah.
Exactly. So if you're not using this website, guess who's going to make that chart? Yeah, you, Evan, exactly. And then last but not least, one of the great things about this website is that it shows you how you can make the project your own. You don't really want to just use this canned project. You need to kind of give it your own little splash, your own little Evan greatness, right?
Right.
Right, exactly. So it does give you some variations that you can do, and as usual, what is my idea of a good time?
Not
doing the work.
Exactly, when other people do the work. And in this case, this website really has done, 90% of the work for you. All right? So let's say that's project #1, and we're going to let Evan choose one. So we're going to come back.
Human behavior.
Human behavior. Oh, well, it'd be helpful if I could use the mouse correctly. Human behavior. That's kind of scary. All right, what would you like, Evan?
Do the eyes have it?
All right, do the eyes have it? Very nice.
Ooh.
So this one is a science fair experiment that is based on really looking at photographic memory and if it exists. Now, it does sound really interesting, but I'm going to give Evan one word of warning. If you choose a project where humans are involved, or humans at all, humans meaning boys and girls, right?
Right.
Are involved, there's an enormous amount of extra paperwork you have to do.
Yeah.
All right? Simply because there are humans involved or animals. If you have animals or humans involved, double the amount of time you think it will take. All right? So I'm just throwing that out there. Again, it's a beginner. It's easy. It's very short. All the normal things, background material, procedures, make it your own. So again, a word of warning. If you choose a project that has animals or humans involved, it is significantly more paperwork. Are we tracking?
Yes, we are.
All right. So let's just go to physics real quick. We'll just pick the first one. Yes, we're tracking. That's good. All right. So let's say this is the one that you want. Okay, Evan, you want to print this out. You're ready. What are you going to do? You don't know.
Gonna click on stuff.
Here's what you're going to do.
Yeah. You Control P.
Right. You're going to hit Control P.
Get.
All right. So hit Control P, Evan.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's right. P. Very nice. At the same time.
No, like that.
Stop
working.
Okay. Let's start. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Try one more time. Control P.
There we
Yay! Victory. All right. So now we're ready to print. Please raise your hand and get the go ahead before you click what?
Print.
Print.
Because
Why?
it's gonna like make the printer blow up.
Exactly. The printer will blow up, and then Miss Ray will blow up, and just nobody will be happy. We don't want that. So that way we can let you choose one at a time. All right. So to recap, how many of these awesome science fair projects do you need to have in your folder before you leave? 2. Very nice. And how did we get to it?
The science fair project,
right? Which was on the
homepage of the library
homepage. All right. Thank you so much. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Okay.